Are you struggling to import the json2csv module in your Angular 4 application? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've done everything right, only to be met with an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. But don't worry, we're here to help you break through. Here's the situation. A user recently asked about an error they encountered after trying to import the json2csv module. They installed it correctly using npm, but when they tried to import it, they received an error stating that there is no exported member json2csv. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what could be causing this error? It often happens when the module's exports don't match what you're trying to import. In this case, json2csv might not be exporting a member named json2csv as expected. Let's clarify this and find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid similar issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the issue, the user should first check the import statement. The correct import for the json2csv library is not named json2csv, but rather parse. Next, the user needs to ensure they are using the parse function correctly. This function takes a JSON object and converts it to CSV format. After that, the user should handle any potential errors that may arise during the conversion process. This can be done using a try-catch block. Finally, the user can export the CSV data or download it as a file. This can be achieved using the Blob API in the browser. Fun fact, did you know that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation? It's a lightweight format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to importing the json2csv module in Angular 4 involves creating a CSV download component. This user provides a complete implementation that includes a download link for the CSV file. In this implementation, the user defines a method to generate the CSV download link using specified data and columns. They also utilize Angular's DOM sanitizer to safely create the download link. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution is to use the Angular 2 version of the json2csv library. This version is specifically designed for Angular applications. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the module's documentation for the latest updates on imports and exports. This can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to import the json2csv module without any issues. Remember, checking documentation is key to smooth development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.